In today's video, we are unboxing the new wheels for the Jdm Evo 8. Before we do so, we need to move the GG Evo out of the way. Let's get it out of the garage so we have space. We'll set the boxes here and unbox the wheels. I'm so excited for this one. So the wheels are in the garage. Let me show you guys the new wheels for the Jdm Red Evo 8. I still can't put words to this. So we got ourselves T37s for the red in titanium silver, which for those of you guys that know, my dream wheel has always been T37s. Best wheel to me, in my opinion. I love T37s. That's why I got T37s for the GG that's outside. But I got them in Formula Silver, which originally I wanted Mercury Silver. And they told me 4 years ago when I first got my first set of T37s that Mercury Silver was discontinued. They're no longer making it. You have to basically order like a huge batch to get it or something like that. It was super weird. And I never understood it. Now, 4 years later, I buy the Jdm Evo 8 and I post this on my story, and a lot of you guys tell me, oh, is this continued? Is this continued? I even asked all the US dealers. They tell me that titanium silver and mercury silver is like an OG color, sort of say, I don't know. But then my people in Australia always have my back. Charles from Land Speed Racing had one of these sets in stock, titanium silver. They are T37 SLs, they're not like OGs. But I got him, of course, with the OG stickers, and he had it in stock in titanium silver. When I tell you guys, I got it in 1 week, I'm not joking. Like, I got him in 1 week. So huge shout out to Charles. Huge shout out to all of my people in Australia. Dude, everything so far that's been like kind of hard to get, JDM, whatever the case might be for this car so far, even with the interior pieces, the mats, so many little pieces have came from Australia. And I just want to give a huge shout out to all of my Australian viewers. I didn't even know I had like a couple of Australian viewers, and that's the reason why I was even able to get this set, even get the mats. So a lot of you guys, huge shout out to you guys, and huge shout out to all of you guys, honestly, that are watching the videos. I am super excited for this combination. Red with titanium silver has been one of those go-to classic looks, like even in the Honda game. Those of you guys that go way back to Super Street Magazine, like, I mean, not way back, they're still obviously here, but Super Street Magazine used to post all of these tuner builds, and this was like the color setup, like the red with the silver. I know it's kind of like super throwback, but I like that. I like the like OG look, like the throwback red and silver look. You can't go wrong with silver. So now, this is the wheel. Like, the color honestly surprised me. Like, when I got it, I was like, oh, you know, it's gonna look good, but the color in person, and again, I don't know if the camera's gonna capture a lot of the details, but it looks really good. Like, I'm super excited for these wheels. Obviously my dream wheels forever, and now I got a set for the Red Evo, which is amazing. I don't know what to say or where to begin. Honestly, super grateful for this. Like, the fact that I'm even able to do all of this stuff is such a blessing, and I don't take none of this for granted. I was a little kid dreaming and dreaming, looking at magazines, looking at like playing Need for Speed, and just honestly hoping that one day I could build my own like dream cars, and here I am doing that. So that's something that I am forever grateful. If any of you guys have any questions in regards to the spec, these are 18 by 9.5 plus 22 5 by 114 titanium silver, which this is the OG spec for Evos. Like, this is the fitment for Evos. All of you guys that like have Evos know that this is the spec to go with. This is the one wheel size that fits perfect. I'm not gonna need no spacer. I'm not gonna need anything. So it's just gonna sit flush. You guys know how the GG Evo looks, which I'm gonna bring inside later, maybe show you guys a little bit of that. But you guys have seen that car so many times. Same spec as the GG Evo. So honestly, I could even swap wheels if I wanted to. Like, I could put Formula Silver on the red, put this one on the GG, see how it looks. This is honestly one of those things that are just like mind-blowing, at least to me. I don't know. Let's go ahead and grab one of the TEs, put it next to the red Evo so you guys can see. Wait, before I put it on the floor, let me go ahead and grab something soft. I wouldn't want to scratch the babies. Let's go ahead, put this thing right here, and let's see how that looks. Let me go ahead and sit on the floor. Dude, I'm so excited for this. Like, it looks so good. At least, again, that's my opinion. This is kind of like that throwback OG look. And a lot of you guys, I think, are gonna know what I'm talking about when I say Super Street red and silver. It was like the thing back in the day. I also have another little surprise for you guys. I sold the headlights. That's gonna come in another video. The car is also gonna get brand new MR black housing headlights, which it's just gonna look so good. I'm so excited for this build. Anyways, let me go ahead and set this camera here. Hopefully you guys could sort of see me. I don't know. Let me grab my phone and put it here. There we go. That's a little bit better. Man, if you guys stayed to the end of this video, you guys are like honestly real ones. I appreciate you guys watching these videos. I appreciate you guys following the build. Thank you, like from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Just thank you for staying, watching the videos. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for following this crazy journey of mine that I'm just passionate about. And honestly, I don't take none of this for granted. I always say that this is my passion. This is what I love doing. And I hope that you guys are able to find your passion as well. Like, for the longest in my life, I was stressing so much about finding this one passion, finding what I wanted to do with my life. You know, I was this 22-year-old that was just graduated from college, graduated in business, and I just didn't know what to do. Basketball player, tore my ACL, basketball went down the drain, and I was kind of lost in life. And I'm just saying this, maybe I could help somebody out there that is searching for their passion, and honestly, it just comes to you. Like, this whole car thing just happened in a stage of my life, and I haven't spoken about this. This happened in a stage of my life where I was lost. You know, I didn't have basketball, which was the one thing that I did my whole life since I was a little kid. And I bought a car, met a friend that put me into building the car, not building, but putting, you know, coilovers, springs, rims, and I fell in love with it. I felt, obviously, all of this passion came from Need for Speed, Too Fast, Too Furious, and I've said this in a couple of videos of mine, but just be patient. Your passion will come, and if you do have a passion, just grind for it. Like, put your head down, focus on what you need to do, and things just come in life. And I just wanted to say that, like, put your head down, keep focusing, stop using social media, stop wasting your time on things that are unnecessary, and let's just all focus on our goals, because we can all achieve this stuff. And I mean it when I say that. Like, this is all achievable, and there's so much more that I want to achieve myself, and it's gonna come. Like, I feel like it's gonna come as long as I put my head down, I don't get unfocused, and I keep grinding for what I want. This is gonna come, and it can happen for you guys as well. So that's all I wanted to say is, let's just all keep grinding. I appreciate you guys. All of you guys that stayed to the end. You guys are real OGs. I mean it. I'm super excited for this build. Like, I don't know how to explain how excited I am. I'm just lost for words. Anyways, until next time, like always, keep grinding. Take care.